Which side is better? Yeah, I think this one is better. Alright, there you go. Welcome back, everyone. You see, we are on a roll. We need to finish this one ASAP. As you can see, yes, it's been painted. So, clear is done on all of this side. Now, a few things we've noticed. As you can clearly see, I removed this one. Look at the roof and look at the pillar. You see the difference in color? Now, true, this one is only painted base. This is base and clear, but there is a difference in color. This reminds me, I do believe we did order some paint and the paint was manually matched. Meaning they kept adding colors to the paint until they thought it's exactly the same. That's why we created a bit of a difference. And that is why we removed this one. So this is the pillar. And you can clearly see the difference in color. You see? It's definitely whiter than the white that we have. As if the white that we have has a bit of a beige to it, whilst this one is basically white. So we decided, you know what, let's remove it and paint it separately. And believe me, it's actually easier to remove than you think. Let me just put it over here and I'll show you how to remove it, then I'll explain it. So first things first, what you need to do, the rubber seal or gasket, you just need to peel it off and get it down. Once you get it down, you'll have access to this section. This section contains the metal thing that has screws. So unscrew them all, then keep in mind, you see, there are clips. So unscrew them, the metal piece fold, which is this one. It has double-sided tape to it, so you can easily remove it. It's not going to be a problem, just don't go overboard. And with trim tool, just put it here and slowly peel it, because if you just go to town with it, you're gonna break it. It's plastic. So the aim of the game today is we need to sand this one, paint it with the correct color code, which is the one that we have. And how do we know that? Because remember, when we fix this side and that side, we used this one to basically match the paint, and it did match phenomenally. So wet sand, paint, then after that apply clear, then it should be good to go, and after that we can install it back. Meanwhile, and probably whilst the paint drying on that one, we might actually start polishing. I would love to start polishing at least this section. If I can polish this section and get it ready, I mean, it doesn't require much, to be honest, because I need to start putting the spoiler, the tail lights and everything. So it'll be good if we can get that done. As for the front, if I polish it, then I'm ready to put the headlights, but I'm not gonna put the headlights yet. I bought something, I'm just waiting for it to arrive and we'll try it out. But overall, this is the game. Wet sand, paint, prep, then install it back again. And I mean, we'll just clean some of the mess that we have over here. Go! And just like that, with the power of editing, it's installed. Look at the color, now it's matching. And you can see the difference now. See? This matches the back, matches the door, matches everything. Now it's perfect. And there I say, good thing that we took it out and we removed it. And you see, everything is back into place. So we didn't have to remove the whole seal all, we just removed this part. Once we clipped it back into place, so you just put it over there and just basically with your hand and clip it. Once that is done, put the metal piece, screws, and this one is back. And now it's done. Is it perfect? No. Are we aiming for perfect? No. We're aiming just to get the job done. And for that, I'm more than happy to say we did get the job done. I'll try to polish. I mean, I did polish this side. It's smoother, so technically speaking, I can commence the tail light process, I think. But yeah, I had a bit of a run over here where it's more like a burn, so I burned through, but that's okay. That's okay. It's not that big of a deal. I'll sort it out. The paint is not yet ready, but overall, yeah, I would say not bad. There is a bit of a shine to it, so that's it. Really happy. So hopefully, we might be able to put the tail lights and put the actual spoiler. Actually, I might start with the spoiler first, then the lights, and at least this side will be completed. As for the roof, what are we doing with the roof? Well, the roof needs still repair. Basically, you see this paint, I need to fix it up, sand it, then paint it, and such and such. I decided not to go through that route. What I'm going to do, wrap the roof. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a size, so it's doable. I can do it. I mean, I've never done it before, but I can give it a crack. Yeah, I'm really happy with the color. Now, the color sits well. It's been bothering me. Believe me, once I'm done with the paint and everything, it was bothering me. Now, it's not. Now I'm happy with the color scheme. So that will be wrapped. I'm not gonna go with the black or white. I think I got gray carbon fiber look, which will sit different. The aim is to go different. As to my office, well, Havana, she claimed my office chair. Anyways, let's wrap up for now, and next clip you'll see next day me working on the spoiler, hopefully. Welcome back. How you doing, folks? This side is polished, this piece is clean and installed as we said, and because only this part is polished, because this is what I need to focus on, time to finally put the spoiler and button this up. First order of business, I need to clear all the clutter and remove everything out so that I can install that piece. There it is. It's painted, it's clean, it's cleared, it's ready. All what I need to do is just put some double-sided tape on these areas and shoot it back in there. All the clips and everything, we do have them in a bag somewhere in the trunk, so we just need to get them out and work on them. It should be fairly easy. Just put them back, button it up, in reverse order. It's been a while. It's been definitely a minute since we last removed it, but hopefully we'll remember how to do it. Okay, empty the trunk first. Well, now it's empty, and we've got plenty of space. You think it's not plenty? Let me show you. All these were basically in the trunk. So go figure. Yeah, there you go. These are the clips that we need to install our thingy. Alright, so let's start by disassemble. Well, it's already been disassembled. I guess before we install the cover for the trunk, we need to install those pieces. See those plastic pieces? I do believe, if I remember correctly, they go in those holes. Yep. And these opening, the white ones, I think they go into the trunk, actual trunk. So, without further ado, let's just jam things back together and put it back as it was. Just to loop you in, just so that in case if somebody's wondering how they're gonna put it back. So these are the plastic pieces, we just slide them there and they're there. Remember, you've got those nuts, you just need to remove them out first. Okay, and over here we put the plastic pieces, which is this one. Yeah, you just put it back into place. There you go, there you go. So you've got 3 here and 3 here, but what about those empty ones? 1, 2, 3, those are where the nuts gonna basically tie. And this one, this is for the wire to get in. Make sense? So now what we need to put the tape, the double-sided tape, remove those nuts and slowly place that back, and hopefully our work is done. There you go. Double-sided, 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 and this is the satisfying sound. Voila. There you go. So all the sides are basically ready. We just need to remove the nuts and slowly put it back into place. Those pieces, those protruding parts, will clip into this, and that gives it a bit of a sturdiness. We'll line up the plug basically, then tighten things up, and it should be all good to go. Let's see how good or bad it is. All right, the hard part is done. Actually, it wasn't hard at all. It was super easy. There you go. It's mounted. It's not going anywhere. And there you go. 1, 2, and 3. And this is the clip for the third light. You just need to basically clip it here, and you're good to go. Let me just see if I can clip it with one hand. There you go. Done. This is the release, emergency release mechanism. So this one needs to go past basically the cover, and we need to install it properly. So amongst the things that we got, yep, there you go. Let's just get it. So these are all the plastic clips that we need, and with this is it, the pull handle. Now we can't install the pull handle just yet. What we need to do is basically install the cover first, fish the plastic wire thingy out of it, then we can install it. Easy. There you go. So cover installed and all the clips basically in place. See, this is the plastic wire, or the what do you call it, the pull. You just get it through the hole in here and basically through this, and that attaches into place. Once that is done, you just need to clip this one into place. See, just push it, clipped, and then there you go. It's basically installed in place. That's it. Let me just see. Yeah, there you go. Done and done and done. Now it is working. Whoo-wee, it's beautiful. Don't worry about the color difference. You might think there is a difference. There is a slight off, but that all comes down to how dirty and the polishing. This one is polished a bit better than this side. This side is not polished as much, but that's fine. This color combo, let's see from a distance. Not bad. Next stage, we need to put the tail lights so that we can install all the trims that we have over here. We've got one trim over here, another one over here, then one basically covers this whole area, and you've got the plastic trim that goes over here. So let's get going. And this is what we left with. These are the carpets for the car. These are the covers for a spare seat, miscellaneous parts, old and new, wires for the headlight, the old ones. And now, piece de resistance. There you go. Quick look inside. See? All installed thoroughly and properly. All the covers, every single piece. And this one, and let's just put it there. This is how you do it, folks. This is how you do it. I love this. The more polish we do, the cleaner it gets, and the cleaner it gets, the beautiful it becomes, and. But so far, I'm digging it. Alright, that was a quick one. Now I just need to get rid of whatever the things that I don't need. That's a quick video for you guys. Probably next week I'm gonna start polishing just to clean this side in preparation for the headlight. If you like what you see, stick around until next episode. Till then, you take care of yourself. Actually, let's just give you this. This will be the mug shot for the video. Show me. Which side is better? Yeah, I think this one is better. Alright, there you go. You guys take care of yourself.